Hello guys, welcome back to Davi Dan HD. We have a new movie out called Drunken Mechanic. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe. I'm Kelly, their new actress. You can follow me on all social platforms. My Instagram is Miss Antisocial. TikTok k.e.lly_. That's my TikTok. You can follow me, guys. So yeah, that's it. Davi Dan HD.
Alright, so yeah, people, so Davi Dan himself here. Welcome. Make sure so big up Kelly in the comment section. New actress.
And tell me how me do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
First movie ever. So make sure so give her a round of applause. I want to be a clapping emoji. But here we're going new movie one at a time. The Drunken Mechanic. So make sure like, subscribe, subcircle, everything and that. But enough chattings. Back to the movie, not true? What? Yeah.
What do you want there now?
Yeah.
So, you couldn't call me and tell me say something new out of the fix.
I'm not talking with you,
Eh,
because every day you come, all you want, you see when in your hand, all you want do a drink from and act like you know no sense. And you have the people them work for do.
but if me not drink, how me I go focus?
You don't need to drink for focus. If people look on all this a piece of old car where they are for 19 all long, you know, look where people them car stay.
No, you don't worry about that. That I didn't need.
See the man come with him bike and want him bike to fix. You're not there.
So
Me
you,
can't fix nothing,
so you know should have called me.
Who fi call you? Every day me they call you the rum bar. Where the rum bar they do? Drink like you know no sense in this world.
I will for buy this.
Me no know.
So you don't left no money.
No, the man no left no money. Look how this man a pay for deal with him car. Look on the man car. They writing down on everything. All you want to pay for them money for do a drink. And now we're packing people.
Damn no be. You're gonna make everybody know.
No, they fi know. Load me don't load you up and make people stop gear work. Because me no know what I'm care. You just they fall off.
But you're gonna drop me customer them.
If it drop, because this is all you want, rum. No, me not sure, me no fall.
No. Yo,
You fi do better.
never deal with this bike, young. Yo, you cook.
Me not cook nothing for you, so you got your food in your hand there. Eat that and drink that and make you full of belly and belch.
Burp. Can't believe some woman no cook.
Who fi cook food give you? Who fi cook food give you? You don't want nothing to eat, so you have your breakfast, lunch and dinner in your hand because that a rum bar alone you want there. So me not cook no food, give no workless, man. That's all me they make you know. So go and go work on the people, them vehicle, them bike or whatever. When you get the money, you go and where they go. Because right now me tired of you and they left you alone, You they get me ignorant. No man nothing in my life that stress me so daily. Me tired of you.
What? New tool. So, me not see no fault with this bike now. Alright? This is Davi Dan. The bike is not started. Okay. Oh, no problem. We must start now. Finally. What me no junk? See how easy?
Oh, watch ya.
B, so you couldn't catch me, you know, see me look almost drop.
Who fi catch you? Hey, now go find me bed with the dirty self, you know, cause you want bed. Look at your stink around.
No, just stop dealing with me, sir. Yo. Call a number, yeah. Call
number this?
Davi Dan. Call him. B. Before you call him. Have $5,000 what that, you know. Anything bike start, you know. But tell him to attend, man.
Say bike can start then, no?
Of course.
You sure you walk on the man bike good? Because when you're in the room, you know walk good, you know?
You don't worry about that. Just
No. See you nearly drop to come up there. You sure you fix the man bike good? Because I don't want no commotion in my yard later, you know?
Just, you don't worry about that, Mr. B. Just call him, tell him to pay him 1,000.
Alright,
5 of you go run bar and 2.5 of you and 2.5 of me.
Oh, you're bright, so. Say because I don't want none. Take it all like go on and run bar and go on too. Hello,
Hello?
Davi.
Yeah.
Tibby need to talk to you. Come hold this.
Where are you with that now, bro?
I'm there, man. Bad mechanic. Where are you with?
Yo, I'm there enough father, you know, say if I fix and thing and it go cost you 10,000.
10,000 what?
What you mean 10,000 what?
What do you mean 10,000? Father, what you think me send buy down there for do? You didn't read the back I note.
Yeah, 50 now start.
What you mean now? I me take off the plug off you know say I know it start no problem.
Which plug?
It plug did come off and then that by problem. I me take off so nobody no thief because you ain't there.
Hey.
Boy, you know how
No,
me have to go in that engine and how much something for your bike start?
I not say father you no mechanic you don't know how to fix bike.
Something me no must know.
That plug me take off.
How you fi take a and I plug alone I problem.
And that alone me I know that me didn't even want you to do. I change me did want you change the tank. It come like you don't already know it. Look on the back I
Tell
know.
her left your room. Tell her left your room.
Look on in one good man. Me ain't killing
Yo, you bike start.
See what man see if you do ya. Hold this.
Yo, just come with the 10 grand for like bike a start. Come with the 10 grand.
Alright, me come for my bike.
No, yeah, make sure you bring it 10
Yeah,
grand.
me bring my bike key. Me come for.
Yeah. Yo, next time you know, do that. Don't do that.
Hold this.
You even
Cause
wait.
me no know what I'm to you.
You even wait till me before.
Me just done talk to you.
Yo, you're alright, man.
Me just done talk to you.
You're alright.
Me hope you not carry no money come give you just big and workless. You just a fall off. Look what you did the best mechanic all round. And see the fire you start go run bar. Me no know.
Yo, you're not chatting no with sense right now.
Are you not chat? Man, lay down in a make go and go bed. You stink around. You very stink around.
But more sleep.
Ray and he never you strong fire right now.
Yo, me can't, yo.
Go on a rumbar. Go on out of my house.
So I heard me.
Yes, go on. See door there.
Yo,
Exit
you
yourself.
feel like me have to stay, yo.
Me no want you stay.
You feel like me, yo.
Take up your leg, Tato.
Yo,
Take
I
up your
don't know
leg.
the one, you know.
Go on.
Tell her that.
Go on. Cause you not make a sense. Watch him, you not left your room.
What me I left you for?
You not left your room. If you not left your room, your room shall left you.
Are we married?
Go on.
Yo.
Watch
Me not cut you out, you. You know, say I'm gonna move me shop for one thing.
All the better.
I'm gonna move
All
the
the
shop for one
better.
thing.
Cause I pay commotion and come and my yard and people they come cost for their vehicle. Go on with your shop and go on.
You go on, man.
You pick one.
One day I might run me down.
Who go run it down? Me can't run it down cause you're there running a zigzag, you're the stagger, you ever drunk, me can't run it down, you dizzy.
Just
go on where you gonna stop in the talking
shot bus, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Game shot.
You did big already and I see you fall off. Watch out.
You just one.
Go on, man.
One. When the nigga come, just call me phone.
Rum belly, go on.
I'm go back and run back.
Me not call your phone.
You go on, yeah, man. Damn in bright and pasty. Better get my 10 grand for this right now. Should have 15 grand me charge me. How long me out here work? As a matter of fact. Take off this. No, me can't get a piece of money and go around bar.
No, it's a mechanic idea for you. It's a mechanic idea. You tell the man stuff if you something there. What do you buy?
Hello?
Yeah, I mean, he left the bike and the notes, but me not see him.
They check down at the rum bar?
No, me not really check on about. What me I say is, you can't come out here and let me explain to you, please. I said me can hear from like a idiot for no man.
What problem now?
Me left my bike for in something there. Me just left my bike for in tune up 30 things. Me don't want his tank change, but me left all the tank in there so. And me ride it on the note. Him I tell me say him pull down engine car bike and start. I plug me take off because me I tell him say me left the key in the bike and me don't want nobody to for it. Yeah, me so me I tell her, what's your? I can't lift him on my bike.
The same thing I made talk about. Hey, you see this a man your father God, you see that remedy? No.
Miss me not answer, me not pay him for this, because I said no, me ask him. I think my buy for start. The bike is always a start. I don't know where my car go.
So what you telling him to do in a week?
He not do nothing it right now. Hold on.
What problem?
Me not see me crank on the bike. He come like he take me crank too.
Lord Jesus Christ.
Miss me not tell you don't say him for give me 10 grand though. When he come back here, please tell him to come. Cause honestly, me can't.
Me can't bother with the workless boy, you know, man. Every day people come there have problem with this workless boy. And I same thing me just talk to him about, you know, you see same thing in gone with the man crank. Rum bar, rum.
Women, you know, say I just cause I'm a friend, me give him a work though. I want my friend recommend him and say this man a good mechanic, you know.
Indeed good, you know. Indeed good, I did the best round town. And from the boy start go down at the little rum bar. Me don't know if I went got down there so. There must be time down there.
So you can't talk to him?
Me tired of talk to him. Up to this morning, me and him catch him, tell him, if he left me yard and take in tool them and everything and go on because me tired of it.
Me need to go and hear about all this. I mean, just talk to him, please.
Me go call him right now.
Watch out, you see, because I'm a good friend. Copy Dan, recommend me if you come to this mechanic. You give me 1 second chance. Tomorrow, if you come over, you care about my bike, man. I hope so by then time. If you tell him if you care about my car.
So how money go?
Which money?
Fee money.
Oh, in charge.
Come in an argument with him, you know. Go down and run bar to him, you know. Come in and no boy come in my yard kind of an argument with me about no money, you know.
In kind of argument, you know, nothing from bike. If anything, I him
go on down there to him, because me in an argument.
If anything, I him for give me money, I him take off things off my bike. Right now, if camera in the yard, I sure say him take off the things off.
Listen to me, sir. Me not in no argument with them madman there when he come later, they can't piss me for no money, you know, because him come like I say, rum a for him best friend. So if he not drink your rum, he can't survive for the day. So listen to me. Go on down there to him and him go have it out coming and no argument and a talking with him.
No problem. No. Look up my notes.
Not you.
I know. No, so I'm not even go there to him though. Tomorrow I carry back your bike. Not even carry back now. The boy you eat that man.
Yo.
Come on, man.
Yo.
Come on, brother.
Oh. What was?
Oh, you feel charge me 10,000 nothing for my bike.
What you mean me not do nothing up on your bike?
What you do for my bike?
Your bike never did a start. You know see the start now.
My bike did a start and me plug off the plug cap and me tell her that. You not really know.
So me not going to engine too.
Go in the engine go do. I must see that's why my bike can make noise now. And what me crank there too? Come in and see the crank for my bike.
Anyway, me don't know where you crank. The way they ask about the crank for it, they give me a bike with no crank.
What you mean if crank there funny?
Yo, me don't know about no crank. You never give me no bike with no crank.
You take me for idiot and a dog. And you come, what make you have to? You come and charge me 10,000. Make sure say tomorrow me see you have my 10,000 now. Come in and deal with foolishness. I'm more about my bike crank too.
So you deal with me so bossy?
Because you come and deal with me fool dog. You walk away do not even $10 much as 10,000.
So normal pre still man. Me not,
Tomorrow me a call link here.
A normal pre bad man. Normal pre. Oi. I know that. You should have box out the next cup. You right up, you should have box out the next cup. Oi. How the mash up you see? Cause me know you're afraid of me, you know. You just lick the empty cup out of me and sure you know say no rum none of that. You should have the box this one now. See if I go fear you, cause I murder you up there, you know. Where my money there? Where my money there?
Which money?
You tell me say, you ask me which money. When me tell us I'm collect for the man for the bike when me fix.
Which bike you fix?
Now you have a bike.
Which bike you fix?
Call. Oh, me just remember say.
I miss a fool they follow you.
And you making come down the road and run. Are you telling me that run?
Me? Everybody know where to find you. At the bar.
This man I don't know say me love rum and me always there.
Everybody knows say you love rum. You always have a rum cup in your hand. Think about it.
Well, I know that me come for chat, but money.
Which money?
Me 10 grand.
Which 10 grand? You did do it. Me tell you now, before you left me, I tell you so me know nobody come and me had cause no commotion. See the man say you gone within crank or whatsoever, and the man come they make one bag of knives and me have to run him.
Beat up a prank, no man.
Which prank? The man not give me no money. Go and go look for it. You know, see him down there so you ask him for your money. You idiot? Are you a fool?
You play too much of that me not like with you sometime, you know. Give me money, my man, I go back around bar.
Go on a run bar, come in a dollar for you.
So, you tell me, say, the man come for your bike and you can't go and you don't collect my money?
If you let the man walk on which money if you give me? The man come there cost me, tell him to taking things and come out of me and that you take everyone you scrap me, tell them and go on to. Cause you only aggrieve me. You don't get from bad to worse. You come at the bad me for money, you ain't give me money?
So, me not tell her to collect your money.
Collect which money? Me put money in them pocket to collect?
So, you not see me do work?
Oh, so when you see him down your road, but you ain't taking money from him? Me I'll hear say the man come down, they call it rum cup out your hand.
So fast, even 5 minutes.
Up to drape, then say the man drape you.
No boy can't
Out to box in your face.
No boy can't box me. Where you get that from?
News run fast.
Yo, you know, say you come like on idiot me there with door. Which boy can't
Anyone
box
know
me?
with there with idiot is you. Because you is a big idiot here. Look for you.
So, you know, say this, me all me there, me honest money I fix people can't.
You not give me your money. If you work $5,000, $1,000 you give me 4 gone to the bar. So, me no see sense me there with you and then you want me cook give you must be mad.
Yo, you see me continue chat with them, I might lick you in your face.
Lick who? Where and when?
Yo.
Take your time and get out.
Yo, I told me no, I lick you.
Take your time and come out. Come out.
Yo, I told
you're
me
bright.
No.
Come out. Go on.
Come on, boy.
No want to him, you know. Me sick and tired of him. Me sick and tired of that little workless boy. Watch it.
Oh.
Tibby,
Yes, B.
what make you think some of that talk to you so much time?
What do I?
With the rum.
What happened to you, B?
I love him, I talk to you about the rum every day, so you know. I want better for you, you know.
So, what am I supposed to do to you?
You're supposed to fit throw you and low after your rum. You know, look for yourself. You know yourself as this person? You know yourself as this type of person?
B, me tell you already, say if me not drink, how me go focus?
You can focus, you did a focus before the rum. Me wonder if I set there and set there so. Me really have to go care go check out, because I wonder if I set there and set there so. I set there and set there.
So, what you try to tell me something for the B?
Throw away it and left the rum alone.
Yo, me not show this a backside.
Jesus Christ.
What you have to say?
Watch out. You can just focus.
Focus power. You can't see my time come here yard, man. Me can't lay down for your bed.
No.
So,
Take a seat there.
time come here yard, you just come and cuss me, B.
I know cuss me, I talk to you about the ride. A good me want for you, you know. Me want good for you, but you know want good for yourself.
You can't see you, B, man. You almost a man. You know me love you and thing. And you know see me dash for the room, B.
I love me. Where you dashing? You too much?
You're blind. You want to ask, you know. Somebody not come fix them bike.
No.
Nobody at all.
Nobody at all.
So,
Look here. You see, for any argument we're going down here, the man nearly back sit down. Everybody that if you say, you turn madman. And then why you fix them back because man have to tell everybody say the thief.
so how if you do that? So
That's why I tell you if you left the rum alone. You need to get a hold of yourself. Focus. Every day I forget up the talk to you, so you know me pitney.
Me will lawyer room bar because without me mechanic room, I cannot make no money. And how me would...
You don't look like you see that. You look like you're lost to this world. Rum go kill you.
I believe in
You
that.
don't kill your mother and your father, I don't kill you now.
No say that, baby, man. You make me feel like baby. Me will top drink rum, man. And deal with the people in bike. Go and top thief.
Look at your teeth, man, crank.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm gonna tell him.
So,
I'm gonna tell him.
in finance, I mean,
If I don't tell you.
how you know? You sure you not tell him nothing?
What may I tell him for? You look like a snitch.
Baby, me tell us that me sell it gram for 10,000.
And you know, give me even 2,000, I should have tell him. I should have tell him.
No, baby, just relax. Someone love me and me run.
And then every day I want me cook food, you eat? Like, eat and
No,
tell
you're woman like that.
me and nothing in your yard.
Right now, you cook.
Cook what? Right now, the same go down at Papa's go buy 1 3-piece and you not get none.
After no chair will live, you can buy 2 piece.
No, 2-piece can't fill my belly.
So come to me.
You don't want nothing. You don't want no food in your belly around you want it like that.
You know, so if I tell you the truth, be normally I would have care for myself. I have to the truth to tell me, because you can't come and sell the 10,000. No, I don't see where that money they go. I mean, it's for yesterday. So, why? One piece of food, please. One piece of chicken.
Me tell you this. Me don't give you a piece, you know. And I just because I love you, you know. But me tell you this. Me then I back and forth and I bag of talking with you because you're not my child. Me not supposed to talk to a big man over and over every day about the same thing. Are you crazy? You crazy? You can't just take heed and listen.
So me can't get one. Only can't be peace.
So no one you don't get.
Oh, that's why I feel love you, you know. Me will listen to you, you know. Me will listen to you, because normally first time the 3 piece would have been for me, 1.5 each. But no, I want me.
Because you not give me half of your money. Normally first time when you work, if you make $10,000, you give me $5 and I go to the supermarket and go do shopping. Now, $1,000 you give me $1,500. What that can do?
You know, if you deal with me, so tell us something about change and not be a full time.
Make sure you change because when I tell you this is the last and final time me to talk to you about this, you know. And me say anybody else coming on my yard come make no problem about no bike. You and them and the bike got to go.
Hold on.
Coming in and no more argument with nobody.
Hold on there.
Oh.
How that? Be like we have customers. It's somebody I should go and buy it. Come here. Look.
Kenny.
Bagwan.
Go and
What happened to you?
on the bike and make you money for me and you.
Kenny. May I come there? Hold on. From the city, somebody can know exactly what it is. One piece.
It just a kick off, so.
Kick off.
It just a kick off.
Alright.
It not start properly.
Yeah, I don't see my tool bag.
Supposed to the piece of
Alright.
Blessings, Empress.
Alright. No worry. May I deal with it here?
It's a frig up on me.
I deal with it. Where's the tool bag, baby?
Looking at the piece of old car.
Oh.
So when you say me can't pick it up now?
Wait, what exactly happened to it?
I don't know, you know. From I come over from foreign and land, and I start the bike. It did park up for a while.
Yeah.
And I start up the bike. It did a run little bit, and then all of a sudden it start stop. Me don't know.
Come like a electrical problem, man. Now I get no current for you. So you know what you have to do? Come back probably tomorrow or later. Give me a number so I can call you. Alright, me call you.
Alright.
Yeah.
Look after my baby, you know?
No worry your head, man. Me have this lock, man. Me I deal with it. Me I make sure your bike can ride. That electrical problem that, man. One whole heap of pull on and wire works have to go on, you know. So
Alright, cause this me spread pan and this me ride pan day and night.
no worry your head,
This
Rasta.
alone me ride pan.
No worry your head, man.
Alright, look after my baby.
Alright.
Alright. Phone me here. Link me.
D, come here now. Come watch me work, man. Come watch me work, man.
Yeah, but I will just sometime, you know.
You tell me if you change my life and you don't want to see to this that me change my life. Looking like you are too. Pass it.
Make sure you say they give me half my money, you know.
So you don't tell me to change my life? Oh.
And I'm if they work with you.
What is that? Put it to a bag. What is that? I have to help me up today. Come, what is that?
How much here? One per wall.
What is that, sir? No, you know, say a wrong thing. I hope you so. Be. Take time now. Hope you so. What this one?
Listen to me. I know me and you get paid for do it. And at the end of the day, are you want them my money?
So, you know, time to change my lifestyle.
Come work for the people them things and don't work me out. Me watch you, me not help you.
Alright, sit on this. That we don't know young girl. We don't want a man walk.
You not walk and mind me. Oh. You
not
walk and mind me.
Cause if 5 grand, then when me I collect me get 1,000 out of each of them. So don't say.
$1,000 can't even buy a food.
Oh, you're lucky. Some man living with woman and there with woman and evil would I give woman that?
Me rather you not give me none than 1,000.
You're lucky I get 1,000.
Some would have like if you just go. You know how much man willing out there to give me all them 50,000, 100,000, you want to give me 1,000?
Either you go on. If you not help me, you better
you
go
talking
on.
and work for the people.
You better you go on. Because me no want the lives out there.
Or you call me out here.
You just out here chatting around off your mouth and would have did if you come help me or come around this side. Alright. Wire A connect to wire B.
You see if you're doing a good job, you can do your thing, you just need to left the room.
Alright, we find the problem. See it here. Yo, looking at the phone and look, search for Charmaine. Call her and tell her say bike ready.
Call her on your phone or mine.
Call her on my phone. You must my phone. Me always have credit, you know.
Okay.
Alright. Connect them the wire this so.
Hello? Is this Charmaine?
Yes, speaking.
Alright, the mechanic want to talk to you.
Alright.
Hello, Rasta.
Hello.
Yeah, you can forward feedback, you know.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, man, me soon forward.
Alright.
Aye. Thanks.
You see, you want money and you leave her work with me. I gave phone to call the woman just because you out there chat and not do nothing. And you talk about me, can you couldn't chat to the woman and tell the woman to come feedback.
I know me here, they need me money.
Yo, come go on my house to
Me
man.
nah move, but you call me out here. Remember, say me long right this and well, alright, you know.
Yo, me all come with it. Yo, just, where are they?
Me nah collect no money for you, you know. Me nah collect dollar for you. Cause see this morning you come here in an argument with me, me nah collect no money for you.
Alright, you go on.
So wait for your money. Oh, let me come go and let you see.
You can't get dollar because when I get dollar. I just some money are dropping on me and so run by me down. You can't tell me I come tell man about fit top drink crumb. Yo, come the Rasta, you hear?
There's my baby.
Yes, Rasta.
You good?
Yeah man, you go down on everything, you know, so that costs you only $5,000 car. And next time, watch this over here, no make no do it. No make no rain catch you or no car. I did so I did yeah. Park your bike somewhere when rain fall, somewhere shelter your bike. So that will only be $5,000.
Alright. Thank you.
Alright.
Alright.
So you're good I know, so later.
Alright. Yes.
You think she can't take me from gym come? But if it change my life, me not give him no 2,500 out of this a 5,000 no half and half. Me I tell him say 2,000 me get. And he lucky say woman never give me no 2,500 bills in a month. I be $1,000. Cause 5 bills me not give her. Could you too? But me stop gym club. I run by me and go later. Alright now too. B. Daddy with now.
Yeah.
You know say, $2,000 we get a while ago.
How come that $2,000 again?
Now get.
Remember say I'm here out there and looking out the work and look on the back. How comes that $2,000?
The woman who owe me and I'm a regular customer, so nothing wrong if she owe me, she give me $2,000. I remember say I want to change my life, you know. So the $2,000 me get, every money when me get nowadays, I'm supposed to give a half. So half and half, cause I want to change my life and I want to top my bar. So it's $1,000. So that's a fee me, I feel me $1,000.
So what you do now?
Oh, Dan, the chicken don't come on with Papa.
No, me I wonder if a man dead.
Oh God, man, do you not say that, man? Don't say that. Probably in busy or if the place full, but anyways, me I got look something eat, cause right now me hungry, me can't wait for that day. Chicken left for hour.
I'm glad you try to change your life.
Oh God, man, you true me love you and I don't want to lose you and I don't like how you deal with me nowadays, so I have to try to change my life. So if me get to give one next customer by later, cause food me go buy and come back, you know.
Make
something
sure.
So
Because you need something in your system. All I rum, you know, good for you. You want your kidney and your liver turn rock stone.
Oh no, you might be.
You have to take time drink your rum.
That's true.
That it all lead to, you know.
I promise you as from today, you know how smooth that next rum cup.
Make sure. Because if me see you with no more done, me and you done.
And me no want me and you done, so you know how smooth no more rum cup. So
make sure.
We kind of hungry.
Well, go get something to eat and carry some of my food, come give me too.
Man, me give.
Alright, me never that one. Go on.
Alright. Later, yeah, I love you.
Love you too. I don't want to. You not learn. Bet you down a bar in the go. Can't bet any money in Ghana on a bar.
You understand? Yo, sometimes I just want to get up on it.
Hey, Tibby.
And just hold a fight.
Me have a restaurant, hungry.
Yo,
Come inside, I
We
see
cook
this
young in
one.
an island low run at the ground. You big pot on the fire.
Aye.
Yes, guys. Come here, we come pick your car.
Yeah. You fuck.
How old you buy?
What a vibe, what a vibe.
Ah,
What a vibe.
you don't worry about that, man. Remember we are one, man. Remember we are one. We are one.
No, sir. Oh, Tibby can't come back yet. No, this time they go by. You know, so I go walk down at the bar, they go look if me see him. I walk down at the bar there. Cause me not understand. How comes Tibby can't come back and know the food they say they go buy? No, sir, no.
Guys,
Put on a banana and sell it.
so you don't sell that?
Even though you have a virgin, you sell it.
If you give him, man.
Even though you have a virgin, you sell it too.
The eye look hungry. Yo, the party are nice.
You can't really fuck a bag of cement.
You don't worry about that.
Not even a bag of cement.
So you're not the room. You're not the room. You're wrong there.
You mean
Christian man.
supplement.
Yo, what go on free banana? More on that, you know.
I drink it, they drink it.
What go on free banana? More on that.
I
Banana,
drink it, they drink, man.
Take a rush
I
at
can't only drink.
Yo,
Quantity.
what woman that take a yard? So if it that drink. And
Oh, that's
He knows somebody go and get a beating. Hey, woman. Hey, woman.
Tibby! Tibby!
Woo!
Hey, what you do?
No.
How can you, man?
if you want the eye though, the eye video this
You feed it too much. You feed
Yeah,
it too
man.
much.
No,
You feed
that's
it
it,
when you
no.
might eat. And that you do.
Eat one.
Not take me wrong. Not take me wrong. What do you man? You know like black people have eating. Not take me wrong.
That big dirty
Just relax up here, man.
Hey, listen to me, man. You know, so me can't die, you know. Me
Well,
can't die, you know, you know.
Yo, you're not
Come take out the things that out of me, huh?
Yo,
Come take out the things that out of me. Come, cannot write the song. Cannot write the song, don't.
but you're not fear.
Don't but be me.
But you're not
Cannot
fear.
write the song, don't.
But I road in front of my friend them.
No food you say they go buy, so how you reach
Yeah,
out
B,
bar?
but I'm a friend them. I stop by for you up. And them
You love mad, so.
B, please, B.
Beep, don't beep. Turn up the song, I don't want you at my doorway.
B.
Come, take it while you close them and go on. Go on, come out
So
of me.
I say I didn't.
Yes. You choose the rum over your relationship, so go on.
I'm sure no say
Go
never
on
see
to
me
the
in a
room.
rum cup, you know. I'm sure no say never see me
Me
in a
no
rum
business
cup.
them want say, they say they go buy food or you reach a bar.
B. I'm sure no say never see me in a rum cup. I say I go on. You can't take
Me
me.
I'm not talking with you.
B. I must prank this. B.
Go on in your yard.
B.
Go on in your yard.
B, please, you can't come in.
I'm tired of talking with the
B,
boy.
please,
Move from the door. So. Say go buy food and reach a friggin' rum bar.
Ah, Jesus, me can't believe I really this woman do. Fling me out just because me stop. I chat to my friend them. She didn't even come see me with a rum cup. Why she have to do me that, do a Father God? B. B. Babes. Kelly.
Where you want?
You can't let me back, please.
How much time if you talk to you, Tibby?
B, you know, can't see me in a rum cup, so I deal with me. So
Come in
please,
and come sit down yourself.
yeah. That one, sorry, you know me love you and me tell you say me a change because you tell me say if you change, then you don't come see me in a rum cup and you insult me. Right now, my friend then done there laugh off and me, I'll video me.
They feel laugh and video you.
me didn't even get the chance to go out food chat.
How comes?
Call me top. I
You
hear
never
my friend
stop.
them.
That for sure you say you're not try to change.
B, come on, man.
You not eat. You say you not eat from yesterday, right? How comes you reach a rum bar? You're not hungry.
B, me a pass on my friend them.
Any how many name come catch your rum with in your hand?
No, B, me tell us.
Look how you down there. Take yourself ton fool. You got your shirt off. You go.
Time hot, me the fan.
You go.
No, it time hot, so me take off my shirt.
You have to be a go.
Come show you how me a go be. Me done the car. Me a pass to go restaurant, go buy my food, and then call me over. Me say me a go heal them up for 3 minutes, then go buy food, and time hot, so me done there, me a. Then what?
See ya. Like you go.
Time hot, me a go so and.
No, you wasn't going like that.
So how me a go?
Me not just show you. See ya. See ya. Like you go. Which man go and say? Are you go?
If it time so hot, what you expect? It time extra hot. So me there, and the song them where you play and the vibes every day, you know. Me I want to take B. Let me tell you something. Me did, you know, say me did want to take a one drink, but true me love you and they tell me say you want me to change. So me see flash and me can't take no rum.
If me did come 5 minutes later, the cup would die in your hand.
No, babe, me tell her say me nah, I know if you fling out me things, the man next time I see me already with my friend, them don't come deal with me so correct.
Oh, me not there with no go or skettle, so my man not supposed to there road the galang so.
Yo, me should have left me.
You come in like I say you are the woman and me are the man. Cause how you there walk up here kin and galang so me never got party go on so.
In front of much man be oh God man tap their life on me time hot so.
You must fish for the show off your body, you got shot the ring around and rosy night. What do you?
Be chill man.
You just there road that embarrass me every day.
Be chill man. No, nobody not come to them for fixing bike.
No. I mean, I want nobody else and me had to fix no bike.
Alright man, me soon get peace.
Tired of you?
Me soon get peace of
Me well want you get it.
Can bring my workplace go there. You dey try for this.
Bring it go to the rum bar.
Right now me know that.
Bring it go to the rum bar.
Right now me know that the Rasta there.
You got the rum bar more than you there me had. Bring your workplace, got the rum bar. So when you got the rum bar, you say bartender, you see nobody come to fix them bike? Don't go ask me that. You're bright.
I know I'm all free man.
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm all free man. Boy, look at me good bike gone to. I could have my bike ride right now, but to how we how me love rum. I sell all the engine, I sell the little parts, just to go around bar. How can I like this and me all Good morning, babe. Thank you for looking so good today. What's up?
I'm going to find that video today. Come to get your last warning. Look for your bike.
Don't worry about that, babe. Better days ahead. You don't worry about
No, right now you look worse than the bike. Look how the rum there.
But me
You just look broke down.
Babe, don't worry about that, man. Me change now, so your bike go fit. Probably me buy a newer one, because I go save it up.
That's what you always say.
Alright.
Well, listen me, I tell you. I last one in this because I see me put you out yesterday. And take in back me and take in again when me put you out again. So you have to wise up now. Coming in and no joke with you. Look, just look on the back. Take a good look on the back on yourself.
Santa, too much rum you. Rum make me not have no engine.
You don't have none in yourself.
Yeah, come on, man. Just man, just like man. Nobody deal with me. So we just live a peaceful day. Maybe we go peaceful today. And the rest of the day, them and the rest of the day.
From you the behave good, it will go peaceful.
Yeah, me they behave good. I just see back me come food,
Alright.
So you come in know exactly what it is.
No, I guess I just started, you know.
You know exactly what it is, man. You know what my problem. Pass it up. Hear it.
Okay.
Engine problem that boss is. Engine problem that. So here we are going to do now. Engine
Here.
problem. Really? Really? No pressure, man. I know exactly what it is. So, you know, so this go cost and still do a boss.
Yeah, nobody kill me, man. Do, man.
Kill him,
Yo, as somebody me I had the bike for my father. And I last week, me, you know, he still not much money. Sell all my car since I'm burying my mother. I swear to you, father, just don't kill me. You know, have it right now. I'm with them to go to school.
Normally, I 30,000 charge to go in that engine, you know,
Just
but...
take out, just give me 150.
No, you might, no, 25. And this work, a day's work, this, you know. And a 1 day, me have to take and do this, you know.
I say, me have to support your pulley and sit and mash up. Me have to buy it and just give me a blind man.
No,
120 grand.
No, me can't take, me take a 5 or 5 boss, you know, so my, remember say me a baddest mechanic, you know. You don't see where you come
No. Did. You are did the baddest mechanic. You fall off.
Yeah. Just take out 5,000. 5,000.
Give me 20. Me not kill her, me not kill her. So.
Me could have go somewhere else, you know. But somebody tell me about you from morning, I said, no. I check this out.
Sorry for you.
You understand?
The story is so
Alright,
bad.
so what you do? Me I'm sorry for you. Give me a number so me can call you. If you come back for it. Cause you're a good boy.
You see, other people have it rougher than you. So much things in one man they go through. All they do a drink.
I know my bike, you know, you see somebody in the area.
Sorry, a drink.
No, sir.
And look how much thing they go through. And you not go through.
Yeah, there's a host of stress I can bring down for
Me take it 20, man. Me take it 20. B, you can't help me.
Left your bike.
Yeah, left it.
What me don't have to do?
Just call me if you want to know. Then.
Alright, me do that. Yeah, me not ready for that yet.
You don't think I piss that bus now?
You know me have to go in that engine first, boss, if you know what I want. Me can't just look funny and tell you. Can't look funny from the outside and tell you. So,
Alright.
you go call her. Money that, you know. You go want to help me out and you give her 5 money. So, go for your tool bag.
Where you want me to do?
Go for your bag, just sit down.
Where you want me to do?
Me say go for your bag.
No, where you want me help you do? Tell me what you want me you help me do. You want me help you do for now? So, me know if me want help
Just to pass 1 or 2 things. You know about engine?
No.
So go and go for your tool bag.
Hey, me tell you this thing, if me help you half I money wanting and me I'm not talking with them.
But say me change on my top drink and all. You will them forget your heart.
Come hold it.
Watch and learn. Remember me I bet mechanic, you know. I'm pull this tag.
No, sir.
You don't remember which tool? You never out there what you're going to fix you by chance. The tool I'm going to put for me and pull it.
You're really gone for true.
How much you told me not drink no rum from man? Remember?
Drink what kind of rum?
Oh.
You have to learn to fix the people them things without the rum because you fall right off. So you not even know what for use to pull him an engine.
Remember say me do it better when me drink, you know, babe.
Drink what?
Man, star.
No stuff. Yeah, they get worse and worse each day. Can I see another one here, you feel? I want smaller one. Me don't take it back in my life already, you know, so me have to just help you and done, you know. Look how this big and look how that not this small.
And that's why me have to love you, you know, babe. I have to love you, you know, baby. You know how you are trying to motivate me and uplift me and change my life, you know what?
I just you to take it.
Right fit. So alright now, take off this.
Oh, mechanic. Oh, go on.
You come the right time, man.
How did it?
Whole heap of things, man, but me solve the problem, man. Me deal with it, man.
You did it?
Yeah, man, you do it. Good man. Come help you.
Yeah, man, everything good. You can't buy it, can't ride that.
Like you pull.
What you mean?
So you know see epoxy.
He pull, man, he pull. And me help him.
He pull, brother.
And me and him work on it.
So you see.
No worry about that, brother. Remember say we are clean mechanic, you know, bad man. We don't deal with nothing.
Just say it near white shirt.
I want to tell you, brother, remember say a long time we are do this, you know.
You see.
Long time we are do this. Start you. You see, that bad mechanic, and we do work clean too. We don't do dirty work.
Sure.
Raise
Sure,
him
you
up
have
everything,
the money
yeah.
for pay.
You hear that? So, yeah.
You kinda.
You kind of what? Are you that? Alright.
Come over.
Respect. Bad mechanic, next
Sure,
time, you just forward if anything. Do it,
Yeah,
man.
man.
We can't do everything,
but...
but
woman, I woman.
yeah, man, I'm a woman, man.
Oh.
But
Yeah, money, man.
yeah,
So I
man, you
think
don't worry about that,
else
man.
is-
Take time, go to the yard, man. Take time,
Alright.
take time.
If you give back no trouble or not, I can't even check it.
I'll come back with more money.
I'll be come back with more and you just fix it.
Don't worry about that.
Oi. You see it, Dean? Look how that was simple.
Simple, man.
You do work without drinking no rum. I'm very proud of you. Clap yourself. I'm proud of you.
Appreciate that, you know, B. So I'm
If
not-
me know you run for your mind, you know. Me know you run for your mind. You ain't nearly dead, though.
Oh, God, man.
Me know you nearly dead. Me know you nearly turn over out there.
So I'm not love you, you know, B. Hold on, pants, sir. 1,000.
Want to do this?
Don't fear that.
Want to do this?
Don't fear that. Do anything I want to do with it.
Hold on for this.
Awa.
Awawa.
So, me no...
Me no want it. If I saw, me no want none.
Joke me out, man, B, man. You don't want to test me, I test you, man. Hold, as a matter of fact, hold everything. Put up something for me. Don't give me none until look more if you work when me hungry or nothing.
So this look like I all that money we work so.
So now what I do, remember say me I try to change my life. I don't want none, because if me get none, me probably end up around bar. So just hold it. When I know say me hungry, give me 1,000 to buy one food or one.
Me buy food and cook it.
Alright. B. So say me have go down on the road, go check on my bridge and forward.
Alright. Careful for the road, you know.
Yeah, man. Cook some food to go forward. Alright. Look about something, because I don't stay long.
Alright.
Yeah.
So. You know, some not just a boy. Nothing ain't changed, you know. I feel him I walk go down on the road, go look at the boy there and buy him, because I don't trust him. Nothing can change so easy. I say look like your boy change for true, man. You know they are rum bar. But wait. We have my friend here, you know. They drink, you know. Mama go check if you have my friend here.
So I go on and now for you now.
Why make day I give thanks and praise?
Well, I can get a new one, man.
Yeah, man, the other one rent out. Somebody else will use that, so yeah, go on with this.
Get something new to fix soon.
Me soon link you know. Me soon link you. And make it get the once over and check the engine and check the electronics and everything. They'll be the once over.
Oh, okay.
So, what you reckon? What you like? You like it?
Yeah, man, it look good, man. Nice look, good look.
Yeah, man. I'm proud of it, man. I'm proud of it. So, how things with you differently? How things?
You know, things are going good for me because the woman I live good I had, you know.
That me love to hear.
Lifestyle when we used to live and live it to them, then the thing they change.
Mm-hmm. Notice you drink box drink.
Yeah, so we're going to make a run go back up because I don't want to tear up on the road for anything going to run bar me there.
Ah, better safe than sorry.
Yeah.
But so, I'll give you a link when we're ready.
Alright, we'll link up.
Alright, bless. What good. We are proud of you, man.
When the woman are there, so where are you there, so?
Are you me there the wait for?
Oh, for?
To tell you the truth, you may watch her morning in a for left yard, me left back of you. Because me say no, so me no think Tibby change. Tibby can't change. And I say I go down a rum bar and I no see you. I couldn't believe so I no see you down there. I go over far and I that the little Rasta woman.
Yeah.
And over there, me see you over there. And you not drink, you not have a cup of rum in here. Me say me so proud of you. I can't be this.
After me don't want to fling me out again. Me have to be proud. You have to be proud of me because me change. Not realize.
So, me say me can't believe see you this. Me have to just pop your car.
Come on, we'll go over now. B. You know, see me carrying good up on the road because since you did watch me yesterday, you must see foreign out than you bike down there and some things wrong with you and more follow her go auto shop go buy some parts because the parts when we want her buy, you can't go bring back.
Me see her with the bike, you know, but the thing is, me not normally know of mechanic, they go follow people go buy parts. You normally give them the parts and if you buy and they go buy and carry come.
No.
So me not understand.
Be relax. So remember say I'm a good friend that. I'm a good friend. I remember say I'm money me and you there. So I don't want him go there and get the wrong parts and waste the money and can't bring it back. If you get back your money or do a refund or something extreme something, I don't know. But you know what I change because even yesterday I tell him say me change and things say you know me not going back. So me I go down and go check him kind of call me. And follow him go buy parts, I fix up the bike and make that piece of money there for me.
Alright, I'll take your word for what you say. Go on and be careful on your road.
So it 20 grand, what about you? You never finish, you know true?
Me not buy food out there for me and how much time.
Oh.
Me have $10,000 in my drawer.
Go, give me 5 grand no big so me can go up on the road.
Me not give no money out there. Where you want the money for that?
The more can buy something, because then I yard never fix the bike.
Alright, me don't give you.
Go feed and come give me.
Don't give it. I'm saying.
So you want me go and work, bro? Remember me not get paid right away now be. No, get paid right away. Someone can buy me juice and cook in here. The little snacks in lunch pan. Right,
Make sure.
So when we come back, me give you back your 5 grand and give you back something for the car. Look like I want a big problem happen to your bike, you know.
Alright, later.
Take care of yourself. Hey, if me a go on an auto parts place, auto run bar, me a go out and trust me. Calm me down. Good man. Short fast, one boss.
What?
Where you Rasta? You again?
Hey,
You again?
you get let out of prison.
Listen, prison, I can run things, you know.
And that we see the last time you come.
Alright, what if you need a car? Roman 0 Short man, give me a light.
Take a light. Cause we see human beat you. That's why here.
Oh,
yeah.
You want to see how she drag
Eh?
him drag him out.
No,
Let
man,
him
love
down.
me, you know.
Human love you, but
Yeah.
you Right.
Woman love me, man, that's why she lick me. If she never love me, she wouldn't lick me. That's not love.
Yeah.
No, love.
Love. I really love that.
I'll chew something. Hey.
This a boy, yeah? Bumbo. This a boy, yeah?
Yo, my woman only lick me because she love me short, man.
Eh.
Then we don't know that. You know
Pure
what
things are the real
I'm
things.
Yeah.
Man, go back in the house. Come on, man, go.
Can you violate you, man? How you mean?
No. Party and nice too.
Yeah. How a drink, man?
Yeah.
Come say, Papa.
Yeah,
I'll see you where you go.
yeah.
Go, boy.
Yo, just watch. That boy I want me 10 grand to fix him bike and boy, you know hey boy, you don't want me 10 grand, me not fix a bike. Hey boy, when me money there? Boy, that idiot, let me go your 10 grand.
You know, you want me 10 grand, want me crank them?
Yo, easy.
Want me crank them?
No, easy.
Why 10
Yo,
grand?
yo.
Where money where you give me off from my bike?
Yo.
Where money where you give me off from my bike?
Hey, me gonna mash up.
Boy, where money where you give me off from my bike?
Yo, me say,
Yo, where money where you give me off from my bike?
hello that, let me go now. Just let me go. Just let me go now. Just let me go. Just let me go. Just let me go now.
Real.
One, look at man, loving girl.
In time fool.
You don't need it. Yeah.
No, we don't know him.
Yeah. Alright. Then Papa.
Huh?
You have let him man come here and this and not come from here and you family them the way they.
Me love my life.
Alright.
You hear it sound? Me love
Alright.
my life. Me
Alright,
God.
sir.
I know how good you
All
are.
right.
Finish this.
Big. Bills.
Where's the? Oh, watch out.
I want be.
No, sir, I'm not Tibby this, sir.
I want one.
What happened to you? You think I'm so?
I mean, I'm think I am so.
Oh, hey. Hand up right there, sir. No go, not another step
Yeah,
further.
now solve it then.
Mm-hmm.
The boy already won me 10 grand. You know, see me get it while ago.
Yes, sir.
You have to give him some wax while ago. And dip in hand pocket and take out the money and
But you're a bad man.
you're gonna surprise you.
Mm-hmm.
You see 10 grand? Go like me no want none. Surprise!
You come here. Yeah, idiot.
So you think my money them suffer me?
The second head of you. Come. Hold them, man. Hold them and one. Not another day. Me sick and tired of this a workless boy. Okay guys, so you've made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. We also have a trip going to Panama in December. All donations count, so you can donate. You can click the link in the bio and help us out. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Bye. See you next time.